If you find that one or both of your side brushes keep coming off on your Eufy RoboVac 11S, it might be because the little metal clip that keeps these in place might have got flattened over the years. So what we have to do is get yourself some small pliers or some tweezers and a little crosshead Phillips screwdriver, and turn your Eufy upside down and make sure you turn it off if it isn't off already. Now this one is on quite nicely. Takes a little bit of force to remove that one, but this one comes off really easy. Now if we get a little screwdriver and undo this little part here, this is the little metal clip that keeps the brushes in place. So we're just going to turn it to the left, so counterclockwise, undo the screw, and this part here should lift off like so. Now what you might find is that these little bits sticking out of the side here might have got flattened throughout the years. So see with some pliers or tweezers if you can make them stick out again. So bend it out a little bit like that. Can you see I've bent it out there? And now I'm going to try to bend it back in. There we go, to try to make that a little bit more pronounced. And we'll do the same on this side here. And now I'm bending the bottom bits in, so hopefully you can see that it resembles a similar shape to what it was before, except now we do have a little bit of a bit coming out here and a bit coming out here. I might not get this first time. Now, when you put it back on, it can only actually go on one way. If I was to put it on this way, it doesn't go all the way down. You can see there, it's not on there nicely. So put it where the big gap is. Like so, and you can see that that's gone down nicely there. You can see that because I've pinched it in at the bottom, the bottom bits have actually gone in. If I was to leave it wide, it's not going to go in here or in here. Now I'm going to do the screw up, and let's see if it clicks into place better. It might start to spin as you get to the bottom, so you can just put a bit of pressure on it, stop it spinning while you give it the final turn. Now let's see if that clicks more into place. You've got to get the square on the square. Gives you an opportunity to clean it as well. Right, hold on, there we go, so it's on there now. There you go, that was quite a nice confirmation click, and you can see now that that doesn't want to come off as easy. There you go. Now if I yank it, it still comes off, but that clicked on a lot better than I thought it would. There we go, fantastic. So if yours have gotten flattened throughout the years, just try and get that kink back in on both sides, and hopefully that will be enough just to grip on to these ones here. Because if you look real closely in here, you can see how it's designed. You might be able to see that there's a little cutaway bit just here, and also here, and also here, and here. So basically you can put it on any way, but it's got cutouts right the way. So what you want the metal bit to do is sit in here but not come over these bits here. And then when you turn it back on, hopefully Eufy will work again nicely. Thanks for watching.